everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download your Rondevo application in your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Rondevo application on your Android device, firstly open your Play Store. In the search box type in Rondevo and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on an install button and download the application. But if the application isn't available on Google Play in your region, open your APK Pure application. In the search box, type in Rondevo and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on an install button to start the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. After downloading the application, click on an install button. Now, all you need to do is tap on open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your Rondevo's application in your Android device quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.